Shivaya. Welcome to Yogam Sharanam Gacchami. Let us know how Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama alone makes yoga highest reach, that is Raja Yoga. In Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, there is Hatha Yoga and Raja Yoga and even Kriya Yoga too. Okay. What is Hatha Yoga? Ha means Surya Nadi, that is solar force, Pingala. Tha means Ida, that is lunar force, Chandra Nadi. Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi, right? Sun and moon. The forces within us will be merged each by the practice, because left inhale, right exhale, right inhale, left exhale. We are constantly performing the practice, sending the prana into these nadis, and afterwards we are relaxing. So before entering of the prana in central nervous system, so, that is especially in Sushumna middle channel, all the prana will go to the peripheral body only, peripheral nervous system, peripheral organs, everywhere. So after fulfilled of prana, vital force in entire body system, then this is due to Hatha Yoga, because ha and ta. Hatha Yoga is happened, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. After that we are performing Brahmanjali here and observing natural flow of breath. We are calming the mind, allowing the prana kundalini to ascend on the top of the head where Sadashiva resides, Sahasrara Chakra. Okay, kundalini merged to the Shiva, Shiva Shakti, Samyogam, Raja Yogam. Okay, so Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga happened here. So this only Kriya Yoga. The main principle I am telling that Kriya Yoga is merging the Hatha Yoga and Raja Yoga. Okay, so there are different stages and different practices in Kriya Yoga too. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama alone helps you to succeed in yoga, right? Of course, this will give all physiological benefits, mental benefits, especially psychological and spiritual benefits. But the end point of yoga, samadhi, and all other yoga siddhis also attained by Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama alone. In Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, I simply say 1:1 ratio is best way, right? That is my Guruji said, that is why I experienced this benefit also. Traditionally, 1:64:32 ratio. Left inhale, hold for 64 seconds. Left 16 seconds. Middle, hold means middle 64 seconds and exhale 32 seconds. And inhale 16 seconds, hold 64 seconds and exhale 32 seconds. It is a tough practice to whom all our samsaric pranas, samsaric jivis. So first initially it is best and it is enough too. I experienced a lot of divine benefits through 1:1 ratio itself. And it is way already okay. If you practice more, this will be definitely give you the fruit. Thank you very much, and please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and do share if you like this practice or like this explanation of yoga, especially how Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama alone Nadi helps to reach yoga destiny, like through Hatha Yoga or Raja Yoga or Kriya Yoga. At the end point, how we are going to reach with only alone Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Right? Thank you very much. Om Shanti. Om Namah Shivaya. Om.